our mind should be just like a garden, and good gardener take care of the mind just like a soldier. My name is Vikram, and today I'm going to tell you how meditation plays very important role when it comes to the thoughts which you are getting. And today being a yoga day, I want to tell you that meditation happens to be the very best form of yoga, where you can do it without taking much pain, or it is not like you need to do some hard work. It's just that you need to sit in some place, and just you need to focus on the mind. So I will tell you this, guys. I am not doing meditation now, but I will tell you this, that uh, when I was in Mysore, I was doing the meditation, and when I came to Bangalore, I did meditation for 1 year, and I was sitting like I was doing meditation for around 40 minutes, 50 minutes. I was just plugging the earphone and I was just listening to all the uh, meditational songs, and it really has a great impact, guys. And I also want you to follow this. Now, how to start doing meditation? The very first thing is that you need to find a very best place where you can sit and you can start doing the meditation. And the second thing is that you need to figure out the best time. The best time is in the morning, like from 4 to 6 you can sit and you can start your meditation. And now, how to start? Firstly, you can do this, that you do meditation for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Now, when you sit, when you are starting meditation, and when you are focusing on your mind, then you will start getting random thoughts. The first 30 seconds will be like you will be focused, but after 30 seconds you will start getting the thoughts. Now, here is the thing. You need to tell your mind that no, I need not to think about that thought. So you need to push your mind to concentrate on the mind, and it will happen that you will face little problem while doing this, because you will be getting lots and lots of thought, and it's really very difficult in the start to control them. But no, don't worry. You just need to put all the energy over here, this part, and whenever you're getting some thought, tell your mind that no, I need not to think about that, and get back the concentration over here. When you do this, you will surely start seeing the changes. And do this, like, select a place, select the time, and do this for next 21 days. Like, the 21 days is the time period where any new habit which human wants to cultivate, it will follow. And it's just like any software which take that installation time, and even in the human beings it's 21 days, where any new process or any new habit which we want to cultivate, it takes 21 days. So keep doing this for 21 days and you will surely figure it out how to control the thoughts which are running on your mind. You just need to have that zero thoughts when you are doing meditation, that stillness, that no thought process. It will take time. You will get random thoughts when you are doing some meditation, but you need to have that own control on the thoughts. You just need to pull back all the energy and start focusing here. So that's the key, guys. And why I'm telling you this is because we will be getting hell lot of thoughts. And now what I'm doing is, like, from past 1 week, I'm playing with the thoughts. How I'm playing is that it's just basic maths operation, guys. I follow the basic maths operation where plus into plus will yield plus. So, like, whenever something adds with something, it will always give the addition. But whenever there is plus into minus, the result is negative. So whenever you get negative thoughts, the negative thoughts will rule the mind. So let that not happen. You need to be the good gardener of your mind. So whatever thoughts, whatever is happening around you, make sure that whatever you take in should be positive, and all the negative things and all the pain, all the anger will happen out in the outside world, but how you react to it is what is up to you. So let only positive go in your mind and cultivate that positive thoughts only. So that's the whole video all about. Please go, please start meditation, select that time, select the place, and start doing meditation. Start it small, start for 2 minutes only, but do it for 21 days and it will surely become a habit. I hope you love this video, and if you like, please hit a like, please subscribe, and let us grow together. Thank you so much.